Hey y'all, today I'm going to be working on my design team project for Croc'odile scrapbook papers. This is her Alors on Danse digital printable paper kit that is purchasable over on her Ko-fi shop. I did get some glue on the bottom of that scrapbook, and I'm going to cover that up with some paper, probably some music paper. And I'm working on this large journaling card with some scraps that I had left over and a fussy cut lady from the kit. And I am going to speed this video up. I am just layering some papers, and then I'll figure out where I want to put her as my focal point. Get her glued on, and I thought I was done. I wanted to add a little strip to the top, so I checked to make sure it was going to fit in the scrapbook and look well. So I went ahead and glued that down as well. And this is my finished card. And this card will fit into this large pocket inside of my scrapbook project. Thanks for watching, y'all.